Hi children, welcome to today's session. This is the continuity of arithmetic progressions. In previous session, you have studied what is AP, general form of an AP, finite AP, infinite AP, common difference and nth term of an AP. Now, just you recall it children. In this session, we are going to learn sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. The sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. If L is the last term of the finite AP, say the nth term, then the sum of all terms of the AP is given by Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. The sum of first n positive integers is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Now we will see the exercise. Exercise 5.3. First question. Find the sum of the following APs. First part 2, 7, 12, etc. to 10 terms. Solution. Here first term A is equal to 2. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. That is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. N is equal to 10. Sum of n terms is, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 10. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. That is equal to 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5. That is equal to 5 into 4 plus 45. That is equal to 5 into 49 is equal to 245. Fourth one, 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, etc. to 11 terms. See the solution. First term A is equal to 1 by 15. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. That is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Here take LCM. LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. 1 into 5, 5. 12 5s are 60. 1 into 4, 4. 15 4s are 60. That is 5 by 60 minus 4 by 60 is equal to 5 minus 4 by 60. That is equal to 1 by 60. Here n is equal to 11. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n equal to 11. So S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 is 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 by 60. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60 is 1 by 6. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Here take LCM. LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. So 2 2s are 4. 2 15s are 30. 1 into 5, 5. 6 5s are 30. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5 by 30. That is equal to 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Here 9 and 30 both are divisible by 3. After cancelling we get 11 into 3, 33, 2 into 10, 20. That is equal to 33 by 20. Second sum, find the sums given below. First one, 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus etc. plus 74. See the solution. First term A is equal to 7. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. That is 10 1 by 2 minus 7. Here 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So 21 by 2 minus 7. That is equal to 21 minus 14 by 2. Do the cross multiplication. Then we get 21 minus 14 by 2. That is equal to 7 by 2. Here L is equal to 84. Nth term An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L is equal to An. So, here An is 84. 84 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Take right hand side plus 7 to left hand side. We get 84 minus 7. That is equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is 77. Is equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Take right hand side 7 by 2 to left hand side. We get 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to N minus 1. 77 by 7 is 11. 11 into 2 is equal to N minus 1. 11 into 2, 22. 22 is equal to N minus 1. N is equal to 22 plus 1. That is equal to 23. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Here n is 23. So, S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84. That is equal to 23 by 2 into 91. 91 into 23 is 2093 by 2. That is equal to 1046 1 by 2. Part 3. Solution. See the question. Solution is A is equal to minus 5. D is equal to second term minus first term. That is minus 8 minus of minus 5. That is equal to minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 3. L is equal to minus 230. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Already I told you, if there are only n terms in an AP, then An is equal to L. That is the last term. So, minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 225 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Left hand side and right hand side both side negative symbol get cancelled. 225 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. Now 75 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 75 plus 1, that is equal to 76. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Here n equal to 76. So S76 is equal to 76 by 2 into minus 5 minus 230. That is equal to 38 into minus 235. That is equal to minus 8930. Third one, first part. Given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An equal to 50. Find N and Sn. See the solution. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An equal to 50. These are given values. A n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 50. A value 5. Substitute a value and d value. We get 5 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50. Now take left hand side plus 5 to right hand side. We get n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. N minus 1 is equal to 45 divided by 3. That is n minus 1 is equal to 15. Now n is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So n is equal to 16. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into 3. 16 by 2 is 8. 8 into 2 5s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 into 3. That is equal to 8 into 10 plus 15 3s are 45. That is equal to 8 into 55 is equal to 440. Third part, given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. See the solution. A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. In A12, n is 12. So, A plus 12 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 37. That is a plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 3 is equal to 37. A plus 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 33. Take left hand side plus 33 to right hand side. 37 minus 33 is equal to 4. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 12 minus 1 into 3. That is equal to 12 by 2 is 6. 6 into 8 plus 11 into 3. That is equal to 6 into 8 plus 33 is equal to 6 into 41, that is equal to 246. Therefore, A is equal to 4, S12 is equal to 246. Fifth part, given D equal to 5, S9 equal to 75. Find A and A9. Solution, D equal to 5, S9 equal to 75. Already you know the formula for Sn. That is, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is in S9, n is 9. So, n by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into 5 is equal to 75. 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5s are 40 is equal to 75 into 2 by 9. 2a is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. Take left hand side plus 40 to right hand side, we get minus 40. Now do the cross multiplication. 2a is equal to 50 minus 120 by 3. That is equal to minus 70 by 3. A is equal to minus 70 divided by 3 into 2. After cancelling we get A is equal to minus 35 by 3. A9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. That is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 5. That is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Do the cross multiplication. We get minus 35 plus 120 by 3. That is equal to 85 by 3. Therefore, A is equal to minus 35 by 3. A9 is equal to 85 by 3. Part 7. Given A is equal to 8, An is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210. Find N and D. See the solution. The given values are A is equal to 8, An is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. Sn is equal to 210. So 210 is equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 62. Here A is 8, An is 62. 210 is equal to n by 2 into 70. So n is equal to 210 into 2 by 70. That is equal to 3 into 2. That is equal to 6. Now n is equal to 6. Already given An is equal to 62. Here n is equal to 6. So A6 is equal to 62. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 62. 8 plus 5D is equal to 62. 5D is equal to 62 minus 8. That is equal to 54. That is D is equal to 54 by 5. Part 9. Given A equal to 3, N equal to 8, S equal to 192, find D. See the solution. A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S 8 is equal to 192. Here Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S8 is equal to 8 by 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d is equal to 192. 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 into 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into d is equal to 192. 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 7d is equal to 192 by 4. Take left hand side 4 to right hand side. It comes under division. We get 192 by 4 is equal to 48. 7d is equal to 48 minus 6 is equal to 42. Now d is equal to 42 by 7, that is equal to 6. Now d is equal to 6. Fourth question. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25, etc. must be taken to give a sum of 636? See the solution. A is equal to 9. D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Sn, sum of n terms is equal to 636. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is equal to 636. So 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2. See, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. In this two terms, 2 is common. Take out 2. Now n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. 636 is equal to 2 get cancelled. Now n into 9 plus 4 into n, 4n, minus 4 into 1, minus 4. 636 is equal to n into 4n plus 5. 4n into n, 4n square plus 5 into n, 5n. Take left hand side 636 to right hand side, we get minus 636. So 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. In class 9, you have learnt how to factorize quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So, here we need to split the middle term 5n as a sum of two terms whose product is 4x square into minus 636. That is equal to minus 2544 n square. See, in first two terms, that is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. In first two terms, n is common. Take out n into 4n plus 53. In next two terms, minus 12 is common. Take out minus 12. Remaining 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Here 4n plus 53, 4n plus 53 is common. Take out 4n plus 53. n minus 12 is remaining. So 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. n is equal to minus 53 by 4. This value is rejected because this is negative. n minus 12 is equal to 0. n is equal to 12. So finally, n is equal to 12. There are 12 terms in the given AP. Seventh one, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. See the solution. D is equal to 7. A 22 is equal to 149. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A 22 is equal to 149 is given. In A22, n is 22. So, A plus 22 minus 1 into 7 is equal to 149. A plus 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 into 7 is equal to 149. A plus 147 is equal to 149. Take left hand side 147 to right hand side. We get A is equal to 149 minus 147 is equal to 2. So A is equal to 2. D is equal to 7. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 21 into 7. That is equal to 11 into 4 plus 147. That is equal to 11 into 151 is equal to 1661. Therefore, S22 is equal to 1661. Thank you, children.